Olympics. Snoozer is going to push Bubbah and Rum Rum down the track all the way to this donut. And I'm going to use this duster to make sure they can stop smoothly. Okay, here's the donut. And Snoozer, are you ready?
I am what I am, and I am ready!
Okay, Bubbah is first. Snoozer backs up. And here he goes! Snoozer pushes Bubbah, and Bubbah races down the track. There goes Bubbah. It's coming in fast. I need to help. Here I go, sweeping away, getting all the dust off. Oh no! Bubbah went too fast. Bubbah did not land on the donut. All right, now it's Rum Rum's turn. Snoozer is going to push Rum Rum. Off goes Rum Rum down the track. Rum Rum zooms. Here I go. Let's get that dust off. Now Rum Rum is going to have a smooth finish. Perfect! Rum Rum landed right on the middle of the donut. Okay, now it's Bubbah's turn. Snoozer gets ready to push Bubbah. And off goes Bubbah. Bubbah gets another chance. Ooh, Bubbah's going fast. Bubbah, you need to slow down. Here we go. Let's get the dust off. And Bubbah pushed Rum Rum off the donut. Now Bubbah is on the donut, and it's time for Rum Rum to go again. Okay, Rum Rum, now it's your turn. Here goes Rum Rum. Snoozer is going to push Rum Rum. Zoom! There goes Rum Rum down the track. Rum Rum cuts over inside. Here goes Rum Rum. Let's get Rum Rum ready. And Rum Rum landed on the donut. Rum Rum and Bubbah are both on the donut. Rum Rum and Bubbah both get medals. Great job, you guys. Now it's time for a nap. Bye-bye, Rum Rum. And bye-bye, Bubbah. It's Bubbah and Rum Rum! Oh, wow, a big track. Bubbah and Rum Rum are going to race around. The race is about to start. 3, 2, 1, go! Bubbah and Rum Rum are off. Bubbah takes the lead, but bumped into the wall. Here comes Rum Rum. Boom! Rum Rum crashed the tower. Now Bubbah went backwards. There goes Rum Rum. Bubbah, you're going the wrong way. Uh-oh, Bubbah bumps into the blocks. Here comes Rum Rum really fast. Bubbah has to go backwards, away from the pile of blocks. Now Bubbah's coming fast, and there goes Rum Rum. Rum Rum bumps into the wall and breaks it. Wow, what a race. All right, Bubbah's coming, and he's got one block in his way. There goes Rum Rum. Now Rum Rum and Bubbah are bumping into each other. What are you guys doing? You're being too silly. There goes Rum Rum. What are you doing? You're going the wrong way again. Don't you know which way to go, guys? Okay, here goes Rum Rum. Bubbah backs up. Bubbah is going backwards. There goes Bubbah, but here comes Rum Rum. Now Rum Rum is winning. Oh no, Bubbah. Rum Rum goes fast, and here comes Bubbah. Rum Rum turns the corner. Here's Bubbah. And there goes Rum Rum. Just one more lap to go. And zoom, Bubbah goes by too. Here we go, Rum Rum around the corner. Uh-oh, a big pile of blocks. Bubbah pushes the blocks. There goes Bubbah. He pushes and he backs up. Here they go, Rum Rum got stuck. Bubbah takes the lead. Whoever crosses the finish line first wins the race. Bubbah is winning, but no, Bubbah got stuck again. Rum Rum backs up, and Rum Rum is going the right way. Oopsies. There you go, Rum Rum. Now Bubbah is unstuck, but Bubbah turned the wrong way again. Bubbah needs to remember which way to go. There goes Rum Rum. Bubbah, what are you doing? You're going backwards, Bubbah. Now Rum Rum is taking the lead. Oh, who's gonna win? It's a tie! Bubbah and Rum Rum both win the race. Good job, Bubbah, and good job, Rum Rum. Bubbah and Rum Rum get a trophy. All right, guys, time for bed. Bye-bye, Rum Rum, and bye-bye, Bubbah. Go to our website, bubbahsworld.com, to learn more about Bubbah.
And then, Snoozer is in a hockey game.
Let's make some noise!
It's off the goal. He shoots. He shoots again. It's back. It's off the goal again. He shoots. He scores!
And Snoozer's team loses. And Snoozer is so disappointed. Snoozer is sad. But then, Snoozer's old enemy, Deceiver, comes to visit Snoozer and says, "Hello, Snoozer. I will train you to win." And then they become friends. Snoozer trains very hard. He practices stretching and wheeling and hockey style and shooting. Snoozer becomes very good at hockey.
Oh, cool.
So the two teams rematch. And this game is even more important. It's the Super Duper Hockey Championship.
Are you
The other team is being mean.
We beat you last time, and this time it will be super duper easy.
We will see. I'm very good at hockey now. And we have a super duper good team.
Well, our team has super duper skates. We're super duper fast.
Stop saying super duper. You are diluting the term's meaning. The game begins.
It's the pass. He shoots.
And Snoozer's team scores.
He scores!
But then the other team scores.
great shot?
And then Snoozer's team scores again. And then there is a fight. And then there is a penalty. And the other team scores on a power play. And then the game ends.
Wait a minute, Snoozer, the game was tied.
So then the game goes to overtime. The game is very intense.
It's the
The
pass.
player passes to the other player. And then the player passes to Snoozer. Snoozer remembers his training. And then Snoozer shoots and scores. And Snoozer's team wins the Super Duper Hockey Championship. And Snoozer is very proud.
Go to our website, bubbahsworld.com, to learn more about Bubbah.